Welcome back, students. Until now we saw CHA 393 B part section 2nd introduction to syllabus, and in this we also saw that there are 3 chapters in section 2nd. The first chapter we started with it, and it has points like drugs, narcotics, psychotropic substances, and also opium poppy. We began with the definition of drug, then we came across narcotics. What is narcotics? Examples of narcotics. Then we saw definition of psychotropic substances. Also we saw examples for psychotropic substances. Then cannabis plant, cannabis, what are different products of cannabis plant? 3 products are mainly obtained from the cannabis plant. Those are charas, ganja, and the third one is the mixture of those, any both. Now we come across the next point, that is coca plant. Coca plant. This is also one kind of drug. In this, the plant belongs to the genus of name Erythroxylon. See, the coca plant is also a very harmful drug, and it belongs to the genus Erythroxylon. This plant is a plant belonging to the species of Erythroxylon. This coca plant is worldwide famous for its psychoactive property, in which it has alkaloid nature. It has alkaloid nature, and it is worldwide famous. This alkaloid nature is called as cocaine. It is known as cocaine. So basically in this plant the cocaine content is in higher amount. This is present. So if it is asked as from where is the cocaine emerged, so it is basically from the coca plant. Next is coca leaf. Now this leaf belongs to the plant of coca, that is Erythroxylon. So you can write here as this leaf belongs to coca plant, that is species of Erythroxylon. This is about coca plant and coca leaf. Next we will see coca derivatives. In this we will undergo how the derivatives are actually obtained. Coca derivatives. In this, the crude cocaine is obtained from the cocaine leaf directly or indirectly method. In this, crude cocaine can be obtained directly or indirectly from coca leaf. In this you have to remember crude cocaine, it is important as a derivative. Next is EGO9. Now what is this EGO9? It is a kind of alkaloid obtained from the coca plant. It is kind of alkaloid obtained from the coca plant. So Egonine can also be obtained by undergoing different processes. See, the word itself says derivatives means you have to undergo some kind of processes, then you can use in different forms. Like here there is some process and here you can directly use from the coca leaf itself. Next is any mixture must have more than 0.1% of, remember this word, more than 0.1% of cocaine. 0.1% of cocaine. Until now we saw first coca plant, then coca leaf, and the third point is coca derivative. For coca, you have to remember it belongs to genus Erythroxylon. The next point is opium. That is another kind of drug, narcotics, which is very harmful for human being's body. But what is this opium? Which plant does it belong? We are going to see it now. Opium. This is opium poppy. See, this is opium poppy. This belongs to plant Papaver somniferum. See the spelling. Opium poppy belongs to the plant Papaver somniferum. This is the botanical name. You must remember Papaver somniferum. It can also be obtained from any other species similar to Papaver somniferum, or which can also give you phenanthrene, or which can also give you alkaloid like phenanthrene can be excreted. The important point to remember here is this P can be used as plant. Whenever it is said opium poppy, it is talking about the plant itself. We will see the next point, then you will come to know why it is so, because there are different words like poppy straw, poppy seed. So when to use which term? Now here we are talking about the plant. This is about the plant. So you can remember this way, that poppy stands for like plant. Okay. Next is only opium. Now next definition is opium. This is dried latex obtained from the seeds capsules of opium poppy. Remember, this is dried latex. It is obtained from seed capsules of opium poppy. Means we are obtaining this latex from the plant, because I told you that opium poppy means the plant, and here only the opium is asked. Here we are seeing only the opium. So it is dried latex obtained from seed capsules of opium poppy. That is, it means plant. It is talking about plant itself. It is talking about the plant itself. Its plant name is, we just now saw the plant name is, what is the name of this plant is Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum. Now from this opium there can be different products, there can be different useful things can be obtained. The first is medicinal opium. First is medicinal opium. Now in a plant there can be various different parts, okay, seeds, flowers, leaves. So seed we have seen that it has come here, seed capsules of opium poppy, okay. Now we are talking about medicinal opium. So which part will be included in medicinal opium? It is the opium present in powdered or granulated form is called as medicinal opium. Opium present in powdered or granulated form, can be used as medicinal opium. So until now we saw that opium poppy is different thing, only opium is different thing. You have to remember main words like seed capsule means opium, we are talking about opium poppy means the plant, entire plant itself. Then medicinal opium, so in this what is included? So powdered and granulated form. Next is prepared opium. Next point is prepared opium. Now prepared means the word suggests that it has undergone some processes, it is prepared from something. Prepared opium. So any product obtained from opium, listen to the words, any product obtained from the opium has undergone various number of series of steps and the product obtained is called as prepared opium. Means at the beginning you are taking seed capsules. It is undergoing seed capsules of opium plant, that is opium poppy. It is also called as Papaver somniferum. So you are taking seed capsules of opium which is undergoing a series of processes. The product obtained after the series of process is called as prepared opium. You can write it down like any product obtained from opium undergoes series of steps and product formed is prepared opium. It is prepared opium. This prepared opium, it has undergone number of processes. So this can be consumed with the help of smoking. We saw in the very first lecture there are various ways of consumption of drug. It has included ingestion, smoking. Also it is taken in by absorption of drug by keeping under the tongue, by applying on patches. The drug is applied on the patch of skin. So here this prepared opium is consumed by smoking. It is consumed by smoking. Poppy straw is our next point. Poppy straw is our next point. See, it is also the part of opium, but now the entire plant is taken except the seeds. Except the seeds. Poppy straw means the product obtained from the entire part of plant, that is Papaver somniferum, excluding the seeds. Now this can be in the original form or also it can be in crushed or powder form. But when we can do crushing or when we can do powder form, it can be done only after the harvesting. Firstly, we have to put the seed in the farm, it will grow up, then after growing we do harvesting. So after harvesting we can crush it, powder it, and then we can obtain the poppy straw. This is also very hazardous to human being health. One must not consume or he will be punished by the government. So remember, what is poppy straw? It includes all parts. It includes all parts except seed of opium poppy. Opium poppy. See, again the word is opium poppy. I have told you this is P stands for plant. So you must immediately get clip that this is opium poppy means plant we are talking, and only opium it means it is about the latex, dried latex obtained from the seed capsules. Okay. Next is poppy straw concentrate. Next term is poppy straw concentrate. Poppy straw concentrate. The word itself says that there are two types, dilution and concentrate. So here the poppy straw, we saw what is poppy straw. It is included of all part except seed. Seed is not there in that. So we have to take that poppy straw and it undergoes number of processes and get concentrated. It gets concentrated and the product you will obtain is poppy straw concentrate. So it can be said as material arising from poppy straw undergoes into a process to become concentrated and it is called as poppy straw concentrate and called as poppy straw concentrate. Poppy straw concentrate. Now after concentration, this will become again alkaloid, which is very harmful and has adverse effect on human being, and so it is prohibited. Prohibited means government has not allowed, it is banned. The person using will be fined and he will be imprisoned. So it is very dangerous to use any of these narcotics, opium, coca, cannabis, all these are harmful for our body.